Hi kids, welcome back. The next topic is the place value, is the mathematics. Okay kids? The place value is very easy. Is the tens and ones. El lugar donde va colocado el valor numérico. The place value. The place value is only this. Remember your book. Tens and ones. Okay? Remember. The tens and ones. What is a 10? 10 es decena and ones unidades. Okay? For example, here do you show it the number 20. This is the number 20. This is the number 20. The number 20, do you have 2 tenths and 0 ones? 2 tenths and 0 ones. The number 20. Okay? Is very easy. For example, do you have the number 12? The número 12. 12. Do you have 1 tenth and 2 ones? The number 25. Do you have 2 tenths and 5 ones? Okay, is very easy. Okay, so the place value is the more easy. For example, in this video, do you have...
Hello kids, and welcome to the Place Value House. Today we are talking about ones and tens. I have here a Place Value House that has spots for ones, tens, and hundreds. We will only be talking about the ones and tens today. Here we have the tens and ones places. There are rules in this house that have to be followed, and one of the rules is that you can only have one digit in each room. A digit is any number from 0 to 9. Let me show you what...
In this video, do you say the number is a digit? El número es un dígito que va del 0, and the 9, que va del 0 hasta el 9. Esos son los dígitos. Entonces vamos a ocupar dígitos.
What I mean. Here is the number 2, and this is one digit because there is just one number. Let's look at another.
Okay, this is one digit. It's only one number. Okay, do you find it an other number?
This is the number 20. Can you tell me if this number has more than one digit? Yes, the number 20 has 2 digits because the 2 is a digit and the 0 is a digit. Uh-oh, we cannot put both numbers in the ones room. We have to split them into each place.
Okay. Do you know have 2 digits in only one box? Okay? Do you separate the numbers? The number 2 in one box and the number 0 in other box. Okay? To complain 2 digits.
This is still the number 20. We just have the 2 in the tens place and the 0 in the ones place. Now that we have that rule out of the way, let's look at some place value blocks. Here is a ones block. This ones block is worth 1 and is represented by the number 1. What if I add more ones blocks to the ones place? How many ones blocks do I...
How many ones here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Now. I have 5 ones blocks. Great job. We can see the number 5 above the room, and we are not breaking the house rules because we still have just one digit in the room. Now let's add 4 more ones blocks. How many blocks?
Okay, how many blocks here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is one digit.
Blocks do we have now? Can you count them for me? We have 9 of the ones blocks. Great job again. But wait a minute, another block just moved in.
Okay, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Aquí ya son dos dígitos de number 10. No se puede colocar el número 10 de number 10 in only box. En una sola cajita no se puede. Ok, vamos a ver.
Into the ones place, but something is wrong. I think I know what it is. We have reached the number 10. Because we have reached the number 10, we have more than one digit, and we are breaking the rule of one digit per room. Now here is the really cool part that I learned the other day. Watch what happens to the blocks when there are 10 of them in the ones place. All of the 10 ones blocks stuck together to form what we call a tens block. This is a group of 10 ones called a 10. Why do you think we call this a 10? We call it a 10 because this tens block is made up of 10 ones blocks. You guys are awesome. When we had 9 of the ones blocks in the room, we had no problems, but once we reached 10, we had to form a tens block. The tens block is now in the tens place and not the ones place. In the tens place, we are only allowed to have groups of 10. That means we cannot have any ones blocks in this room. If we look at the number above, we see a number 1 in the tens place and the number 0 in the ones place. We have to remember that the 10
Okay, it's very easy, kids. The number 10 do you put here because it's the 1/10, una decena. El número 10 va a ser una decena, entonces se va a situar en esa parte y se va a poner number 1, 1/10, ¿ok? Si subiéramos lo doble, que serían 20, igual se pondría nada más el número 2 y 10 cubitos más. Serían 20 cubitos y el número 2 para completar las dos decenas. 2/10. Okay? So, it's very easy. Okay, kids? Remember, the tens and the ones. Okay? The tens and the ones. For example, in your book, tens and ones. Okay? In this activity, in esa parte de mathematics, in the activity is the next. Do you complete the sums que se van a poner en classroom? I mean, put in classroom sums. Do you locate the tens and ones? Okay? Voy a poner sumas en classroom donde se van a tener que colocar tens and ones. Van a hacer la tablita tens, ones y van a hacer las sumas. Okay, chicos? See you.